Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about the top 5 SMMA niches for 2023. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. David Schlace back here again with Two Guys Build a Biz, the best place on YouTube for anything related to starting, growing, or scaling your SMMA or business online. If those topics are relevant to you, why not hit subscribe to stick around, and don't forget to tap bell notifications to be notified the next time that we post a free piece of content just like this one. We do have one request, and that is that if you find this video valuable, why not hit the like button? It really helps out the channel a lot, and it tells YouTube that this was a valuable piece of content, so we can go and tell other aspiring entrepreneurs just like yourself that this is somewhere that they can find value in their own business. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the top niches for 2023. Now, I want to start this with a bit of a disclaimer. Although there's 5 niches on this presentation, there are endless niches that you could be working with. I'm a big fan of saying that the best first niche that you start working with is something that you actually know something or that you're passionate about. The best niche for you might be different than the best niche for me. I think that a lot of aspiring agency owners, they really go around to videos like this and they think that just because somebody says that a niche is a top niche, that's the only place that they can find success. So I hope that these serve as more of a guide that can free you from some of the standard niches that maybe you've heard of so that you can fast track your way to success. But in the back of your mind, if you've got something that you're deeply passionate about, that you know is a profitable business, and there are businesses like that in your area, give that a shot. Derek and I only found our way to the niche that we work with today by trial and error and actually listening to the market and people that we knew. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the top 5 niches for 2023. All right, the top 5 SMMA niches for 2023. First, let's talk about the criteria that we looked to determine these. Criteria number 1 is that there must be an endless number of businesses in the niche. So we want to make sure that if everybody watches this video and goes and starts trying to work with these types of businesses, there's enough to go around. Each niche on this has a massive opportunity and a massive number of businesses that are not only being started every single year, but that already exist. That also means that these niches have longevity and can be a good place to build a business around. The next criteria that we looked at is that they need to be easy to work with. We want to make sure that we can run a simple, scalable, profitable service model for them so that we can go and close clients, close more clients, build a team, and scale our agency to crazy profits. If you're looking for more information on how to run a super simple service model, check out the SMMA Blueprint. I'll link it down below and all that. The next thing is that it needs to be growing as of the publishing of this video. So that means more businesses opening up. It's good timing. It's the right place to be. There's a lot of niches that don't fit this criteria, but that you can still make crazy money in. But for the purpose of this video, we want to make sure that these are businesses that are going to be continuing to grow over the next 5 years or longer. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. Number 1 is going to be car modification shops. So this could be anything from tint shops, lift shops, overlanding shops, anything that has to do with modifying cars. The beauty behind car modification shops is that they have a very high-end customer. You don't go into a car mod shop and spend $500. You go into a car modification shop and you spend $5,000 to $15,000 on average. The only exception to that case is tinting, in which case it actually costs them pennies to put the tint on the car, but they'll charge you $600 to $1,000 to do a full wrap tint. So this can be an amazing place to target premium customers for premium auto shops to do car modifications. All you're going to want to do here is a simple Google ad for people that are looking for a tint or car modification. Then you can bring them into a lead cap funnel, follow up with them, get them in there. Super simple, great type of businesses to work with, and a great place to build an agency. The next niche is online coaches. Since the start of 2020, when everybody started going remote, and more online coaches have been cropping up. There's wellness coaches, there's life coaches, there's business coaches, you name it. There's so many different niches of coaches these days. The thing is, a lot of these people have quit their 9-to-5 jobs to become an online coach, but they have no idea how to actually do marketing. This means they have no idea where to get clients, they're struggling, but oftentimes they come from a very high paying job and they have a bit of a golden parachute or safety net that allowed them to start their online business. So this means that if they find the right person, like you, that can help them develop a simple strategy, like we teach in the SMMA Blueprint, you can quickly and easily help them start acquiring high quality customers and high quality leads that are going to pay them thousands of dollars every single month. So it can be an amazing place to start working with a vastly growing industry. Right now, online coaching has reached the billions of dollars in revenue globally, and it's set to 10x in the next couple years. So this is an amazing place to build an agency, hone your expertise, and work with very high ticket, high paying clients. The next niche is local businesses. Local businesses like tradesmen, plumbers, contractors, electricians continue to be one of the most underserviced niches in social media marketing. The reason for this, I believe, is that it's just not a sexy niche to work in. Here in the United States, a lot of people don't realize that electricians, plumbers, and other trade workers are making in the multi-six figures every single year. Because it's not typically something that people see as paying as high ticket value for, it's not a niche that a lot of people tend to jump into, but it can be an amazing place to work with great people who are looking for the value that you can provide to their business and that have expertise that they have no interest in generating for themselves. So this means that they are working in a very profitable area. Their business is growing and is in constant demand, and they just need help orchestrating the marketing funnel and marketing automation to help continue growing their business in the modern age. So what you have with local businesses are tradespeople who want to be doing their trade, don't want to be working about building their business online, but oftentimes have been doing well for a while. On the other hand of the coin, they know that to continue being competitive in the future, they need to get with it when it comes to online. So that's where your agency enters the picture. You can help them run Google ads for people that are looking for their local service, bring them in, and generate clients quickly and easily for these types of businesses. Not only that, they're oftentimes great to work with, super cooperative, and really understand the value that you as an agency can bring to their business. So big claps for local businesses, totally underrated niche, and a great place to build a business. The next niche that's ripe to explode in 2023 is travel and hospitality. Throughout the world, travel and hospitality has been one of the hardest hit industries throughout the entire events that have transpired since 2020. A lot of these businesses have been wary through 2021 and 2022 to really invest in marketing, not knowing where things were going to shake out, or if we're going to have some new sort of regulations or lockdowns happen. So what this means is that as we go into 2023, they have a lot of confidence that now is the time to start doubling down on marketing in their business again. So this can be a great opportunity to be first in the door and to build an agency around the travel and hospitality industry. If you're looking at operating in this niche, I'd encourage you to act fast. Start contacting the businesses, start telling them how you can fill up their vacancies, build demand for their organization, and really make 2023 their biggest year yet. The next great niche for 2023 is assisted living or elderly care centers. These types of centers work with very high ticket clients that are typically paying anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month. They oftentimes have vacancies and are constantly looking for new people to come and join the ranks of the members that they look after. Google ads are going to be where you want to spend your time here because oftentimes people will go to Google doing research or looking for somewhere to put a loved one. However, oftentimes these centers don't necessarily know how to run these ads or market themselves. Oftentimes, they generate their clients through word of mouth or from people that happen to be driving past the center on the road. So helping them update and modernize their marketing strategies can be a huge value add, and oftentimes they have crazy profit margins where they can invest in a marketing agency like yours. There's also countless centers all throughout essentially every country in the world, so it can be a great place to build a highly profitable agency. So there you have it. There are 5 top niches that can make massive impact in your agency in 2023. Like I said at the start of this video, this is really just the tip of the iceberg, so we might do more videos like this throughout 2023. Let us know if that's something that you think would be helpful. Always curious to hear what you guys thought, so let us know in the comments down below. Are you going to try working in one of these industries? Do you work with one of these niches today? Let us know in the comments down below. And as always, if you guys have more questions, hit us in the comments because those really help us decide what videos to make next. We really care a lot about your guys' success, and it's been so awesome to get to know you guys a little bit better and to create some content that we've been seeing have massive impact in your guys' business. If you haven't already, smash the like button if you found this helpful. And I want to extend one more invitation for you to subscribe to the channel and hang out with us during our future uploads. That's all for today. We'll see you guys in the next video.